In recent years, offshore drilling has developed quite a reputation. Geological finds have shown oil firms that ultra-deepwater offshore reservations are in an untapped area with unknown potential. The increasing desire for offshore advancement has driven exploration to greater depths, stretching and in some cases exceeding the limitations of current equipment. The Macondo spill of 2010 highlighted the risks associated with deepwater exploration and also the increased uncertainty of equipment functionality under such high pressures. This project is intended to utilize Cameron's latest ultra subsea BOP stack, the 20K EVO RAM type blowout preventer, and a thorough risk cost analysis. This will provide a detailed look into the financial aspects of going for ultra deepwater prospects, which is often the first step in development. With our planned drilling and production cost analysis of an ultra deepwater rig, we will provide estimates for drilling production costs and oil field that were previously inaccessible.
To develop this an interactive cost analysis for clients, when this is achieved, the service will sell itself. Our service will provide a detailed cost breakdown with options for customization, the ability to include any unusual expenses. A company can certain that large variation in cost are factored into our cost analysis and will be able to allocate exact amounts. In 2014, the peak day rate of the most advanced deepwater rig top was 650,000. Our goal is to provide a need-based cost analysis built to compare important systems used to different locations.
When a well is to be designed, the usual course of action involves the tedious act of getting quotes for drilling equipment and arranging laborers to create the most profitable scenario. This requires communication between the drilling contractor and any service provider they will need. In order to ensure that our customers' funds are economically managed, we will contact the service provider and we will account for every aspect an oil company would ever encounter. Products and services, including but not limited to the current price per gallon of diesel to the daily operating cost of a drill ship to be out of port. When this is achieved, the service will sell itself. A company can be certain that large variations in expenses are factored into our cost analysis and will be able to allocate exact amounts. As petroleum engineers, we have experience in both well design and economics. Risky Ventures Drilling Consultants' overall business objective is to be able to provide a middleman for the organization and convenience of placing ultra deep water drilling rigs. We will keep safety standards in mind and provide smooth planning transition for oil firms to move along in well design with all expenditures laid out.
Risky Ventures drilling consultants will provide a complete cost breakdown by communicating with service providers to obtain pricing from equipment manufacturers, labor unions, drilling fluid companies, and everywhere in between. One would only have to open our tailored Excel file and select the service they are in search for. With an extremely precise breakdown, we can correctly identify the amount required down to the cent for the entire period a company would like consulting. Project objectives and success criteria are as follows. Accurate cost analysis for ultra-deepwater rig design and production. Cost study is all-inclusive in relation to equipment. Customer satisfaction. The high-level project requirements are: rig must possess 20,000 psi BOP stack. Cost of rig cannot exceed customer budget limit. Complete analysis at all pricing levels. Long-term analysis. Our business constraints include Complete cost analysis is needed by May 2016 and also must be able to be easily utilized.
The project assumptions are as follows. No specific equipment brand biases. Analysis is perceived on a rig-by-rig basis. And the rig is intended for use in ultra-deepwater conditions. Our project will perform a thorough cost analysis by utilizing an interactive shopping list that will encompass all possible expenses from the original idea to well completion. The spreadsheet will be comprised of actual products and services from reputable companies. We will provide the complete plan for an ultra-deepwater well with all the price tags included. The risks associated with this project are as follows. That the cost analysis is incomplete due to unanticipated variables, government intervention, and that we could be held liable if issues arise due to misinformation. This project will deliver an all-inclusive cost analysis of an ultra-deepwater drilling rig that utilizes a high-temperature, high-pressure BOP stack in the form of an interactive spreadsheet. We will account for any and all expenses from the placement of the drilling rig to production. These expenses could include, but are not limited to, transportation, workers, equipment, fuel, drilling fluids, and food and services. The requirement for approval of this project is the delivery of an accurate, detailed cost analysis of an ultra-deepwater drilling rig with a high-temperature, high-pressure BOP stack.